This is the first time I've seen snow like this ever. I've been in here in the United States since 1989. The first blizzard I've ever seen. It is absolutely, without a doubt, gorgeous. The most gorgeous thing I've seen in 21 years. The neighbor's RV. This is the street where I live at. Missy just racing around. Missy! Come here, miss! Come on, Missy! Come on, miss! There you go! It's a good girl. You having fun? Oh my god. Come on, miss! Here's my driveway. Oh, jeez, I can't hardly walk. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Last time I've seen snow like that is when I was a little kid and went to Bavaria with my grandma. That was a long time ago. This is the absolute most gorgeous thing. It's just beautiful. What, Missy? What, miss? What, miss? You having fun, baby? You having fun? Huh? You having fun, baby? Oh, that's my house. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. There's my car. See if I can get into the backyard. Hope this camera doesn't shoot out on me.